Hey guys, what's up? Ah! Welcome back. Today I am doing my unboxing of my Damsel and Defense kit. I don't know. Just don't look. Okay, you can look. I don't know what happened with my eyebrows. Hey. That's so bad. I really thought I thought they were even. Okay, well this is what you get here. Anyway, so I've been buying Damsel and Defense. If you've never heard of it, it is a company that offers self-protection products and that kind of stuff. So I finally got the kit because there was a couple things that I wanted, and so we're gonna go into it. Excuse my unprofessionalism here, okay? I'll get these cameras straight and my eyebrows straight one of these days. I know eyebrows can be off, but this is really bad. And the lighting. I have no idea what I'm doing, okay? Don't listen to me. This is just for entertainment purposes, all right? So with the kit, there's an option to get like a digital kit that's, I don't know, it's 20 bucks maybe, I guess, where you have your website and stuff. But this one was $99 and I got all this with the $99 and it was a great bargain, actually. A great bargain. So let me see, what do we want to do first? Okay, we'll do the striking baton. I don't know if I can show these things online. I'm gonna find out before I post it, of course, but because these are considered weapons. This is the striking distance stun baton. I love it because it comes in black, but it also comes in pink. So just brace yourself. It's very loud. You have to switch it on in the back. And then you have the little, this is the disable pen. So like if you are going to leave it out somewhere for your, like say your kids could get to it, you keep this out of it when you're not using it. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna use it, whether I'm gonna put it in the car or what yet. But the disable pen is in here. And this is basically like a standard stun gun, but because it's bigger, you can hold your arm out and have a distance between you and whoever. So you ready? It's scary. So that is, and look how pretty it is. It almost looks like a curling iron. So definitely take this out, especially if you're going to leave it anywhere. The reason this did not come in my kit, but I will show you anyway. These two things did not come in my kit, but this is the reason why I decided to end up joining anyway. We were going on a trip and I was like, those would be perfect. It's been on the news lately. I'm not sure if you've seen any of the articles, but these are a couple things for travel. Or you could even use them at home. But this is, oh gosh, what is it called? I can't remember what it's called, but it'll be in my link. But this is to add an extra layer of protection on your door lock. Specifically like a hotel or a handle kind of thing, but you basically hook this into the door, hook this over top, and it gives you an extra level of protection. Okay, and then this you can put at the door, and this is basically an alarm that will go off if the door comes open or somebody's trying to come in. I will tell you that this is loud, so bear with. So you just stick it under like a doorstop, like a typical doorstop. And it also has a light on it, which is cool. I think this is great, especially in a hotel, you know, when you're turning all the lights off and you can't see anything. If you were to go open the door in the middle of the night, you could at least see that that's on, so it's not going off for no reason. It also has the suction cup, so you can put it in a window, which I think is a really great idea as well. So here we go. It's got a high and a low. All right, are we on? That's the low, and then there's an off switch. So pretty cool thing for travel or college students or even just at home, especially if you're worried. We have had some issues in my neighborhood that I'm pretty concerned about, actually, and the neighboring neighborhoods with car thefts and robberies. The problem with that is, other than the obvious, is people have caught them with weapons. And we do not live in a bad neighborhood. Man, it's a nice area, or the surrounding area. So obviously has been an issue. Now it did come with these. I don't personally have my own piece, for lack of a better word, but this is a concealed carry purse. And this is just like a little, I think it's a hipster. Does it have a strap? It does have a strap. So you could use it as a hipster, or you could just carry it like this. It's just a standard. And we have a couple other ones too. A little pocket here and here, and then some spots for your cards. I believe it also has RFID. Okay, and then they sent me a wallet as well. There's a couple other colors in this one, but this is an RFID wallet. So if anybody's trying to go by you and skim your cards, and this is a good size wallet too. Zipper, it's like your standard, has all of these spots, and that came in gold. Okay, they sent me this. I have not tried this yet, but this is Daily Hype Energy Drink Mix and Natural Caffeine plus B vitamins, which I always need B. Anybody else is perpetually tired like me? Okay, just me? Cool. All right, this is one of the other things that I ordered. No, this one did come with the kit. Okay, this is highly recommended in my opinion. This is called the Road Trip Emergency Auto Tool. It has an automatic punch to break glass, a sharp blade, which I couldn't find at first, which I couldn't believe how obvious it was. Right here, this is to cut seatbelts. Say you end up going into the water or something. Then it has 3-function LED flashlight and a 110 decibel alarm with LED emergency beacon. Okay, so here is the flashlight. And then we have the beacon. So if like you're broken down or something on the road. And then of course the alarm, I'm just gonna do real quick. Okay, super loud, we all know it's loud. I'm not gonna keep doing that in your face. But I liked this just for, I mean, honestly, simply for the seatbelt cutter. I mean, with kids in the car, I mean, you know, how likely is that to happen? You never know though, right? And the last thing I would want is if I'd gone off the side of the road or something, I couldn't get my darn kids out of their seatbelts. I mean, like who wouldn't be panicked about that? Okay. So that's that. Then we have the charger, I guess, for that. Yeah, charger. We have a socket slim, which I already had these from the company, but it came with one in matte graphite. So this is basically like you just put it on your keychain, and we have like a whole keychain set up here, but you hold it like this, and that thing is very pokey. Not so much like you're gonna poke yourself or your purse or whatever, but it could do some damage if you're holding on to it and you needed to. Like say you're holding your keys and you're just like this. And this comes in a ton of different colors as well. I think they're only 12 bucks. All right. And then I had the choice, and I'm sorry I can't remember what it was, but it was a choice between something else and this. This is a pen drop. This also can go in your keychain. Also an alarm, basically a sound alarm and flashlight. So it's cool because it's got the flashlight, and then you just pop up here. This is a very loud video, I'm sorry. Not as loud, but enough to get people's attention. I love that you can stick it on your keychain and you have a good size, a good bright light. And this one's called pen drop. Okay. The last, well, I got a couple other things, but the last kind of not big thing that I got, but this, and I've ordered some pepper spray because I thought I had some, but I don't know why, is these keychains. So I'm sure you've seen these keychains everywhere, but you can basically put your own together. We also have a bundle kit that you can do, but it's a bracelet. This one comes with a ball. There's another one that is, I can't remember off the top, but you don't have to have this on here. You can take it off or leave it on, and then you've got all of these, and you have a disable pen. So for example, say I have this, it'd be kind of ridiculous, but say I have this out, I should be able to still put it in there. So the disable pen is nice. So for example, with this, I could put, and this comes in a bunch of different colors as well. I could put this on here. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. We're just gonna put it on this part first. I'll fix it in a minute. And then I could put my pen drop on here. And then when I get my pepper spray, I could do that as well. And then I have everything on. Now, we've got it even down to like color matching for most of this stuff. So you could have like a fully purple one, a white one, pink one, whatever. And then I just put it on. And it's got a little glitter on the little bracelet, which is kind of hard to see. But cool idea. And you can even just kind of carry it like this. So you're not, you have this ready to go. You can pull that if you need to. Flashlight if you need to. And then your keys, of course. And that is what I have. Now, they did send me some stuff that, you know, like order forms and stuff like that. They also sent me a book for kids, which I haven't actually opened it, but it's Proactive Parent Proofread, Age-Sensitive Content, and it's called My Friend's New Toy. A Tricky Friends Kidversation. So there's a couple other books that the company has that I guess you can talk to your kids about safety. We're in a state where, not a state, a time in our lives where it's becoming a lot more dangerous to just be, and I hate it. But I want to take the precautions to protect ourselves, and I'm even going to try to get my kids in some, you know, self-defense classes. Let's see what we have in here. I just want to kind of give an example of what's in here. Okay, so they're talking about having toys, make friends with a girl who lives so close to her she could play dolls with. Oh, she's talking about, can I go to my new friend's house? And her mom's like, I would love to say yes, but they just moved to the neighborhood and I haven't met her parents yet. But she has a whole new set of my doll toys. And so this is just kind of giving a ways to explain those kind of things to your children. Like, we can't just leave you at so-and-so's house just because you just met them and they have toys and that kind of thing. So it's an interesting book. Oh, don't do it, says a voice. Okay, anyway. So cool book for kids. But that's what came in my kit. And I'm actually very happy about, minus these two things. These, of course, I paid. I did a separate order for it. But I have some other things coming that I'll do a video for next. But I wanted to show you guys what I got. And if you're interested in ordering or being a part of it, I'll put a link in my description box. And I will talk to y'all later. Thanks for joining. Bye.